Hello students. So today our topic is fifth lesson desert. You know desert, right? Desert climate Saudi Arabia. Particularly we are going to know about the Saudi Arabia. You know Saudi Arabia where it is located. If you have world map తీసి చూడండి Saudi Arabia ఇక్కడ ఉంది. But now how the deserts are? Deserts are very hot regions and completely filled with the sand, right? And there is not much water. And very small akkadakkada chinna chinna water lakes ఉంటాయి చిన్న చిన్నగా. They are called oases. What they are called? Oases. అక్కడ కొంతమంది people will live, but mostly covered with the sand. Now, most deserts are western sides. Western sides. You know the world map. Do we have a world map? We have a world map. But if you have a world map, yes. Just a minute. Another subject is there, world map I will show you. Page number 103 maths. In maths, world map is there. So see the map here. This is another map, world map. Okay. So western sides mostly deserts are there. Which side? Western side. So this is a world. So which side is the west? This is the west. East, north, south. Good. So mostly which side deserts are there? West side of India. ఈ మిడిల్ పార్ట్ ఉంది కదా, ఇట్ సైడ్ నుంచి ఇట్ సైడ్ అంతా డెజర్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. మోస్ట్లీ ఇన్ దిస్ ఏరియా వెస్ట్ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ డెజర్ట్స్. Now Sahara Desert. So where is Africa, students? So you can see the here map is also there. You can see where the Saudi Arabia, here Saudi Arabia is located. Where it is? Asia ki west side. India Asia continent kada. India ki west side lo undi Saudi Arabia. Got? Now say Europe continent. Now see Arabian Peninsula, Southwest Asia. So Arabia, what is peninsula, students? Peninsula అంటే ఏంటి? Three sides covered with the water. Three sides covered with the water. For example, if you take India, here south side 1, 2, 3. Three sides covered with water. Then that land is called peninsula. But island is different. Island means what? Four sides covered with the water. Peninsula means three sides covered with the water. So Arabian Peninsula ki south side, Asia lo Arabian, you know Arabian Sea, right? Arabian Sea. This Arabian Sea west side there is complete deserts, many deserts. This Saudi Arabia is also located in that region. And here Tropic of Cancer passes through this region. Tropic of Cancer tells you, Nana? We know. Previous class also we learned North Pole, South Pole, Equator. Above the equator, Tropic of Cancer. Down, Tropic of Capricorn. Right? Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Like this. It's a 0 degree. In a globe I am saying, for example. Okay. So equator you can say. So here this is Tropic of Cancer. So ఈ సౌదీ అరేబియాలో ఈ ట్రాపిక్ ఆఫ్ క్యాన్సర్ ఈ ఏరియాలో ఉంటుంది. Got? Understood, students? So which line passes through Tropic of Cancer? Got? Down Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer కొంచెం కిందనే ఉంటుంది. Got? Now coming to the location. So here in the Europe continent, మన ఏషియా కాంటినెంట్ పక్కన ఉంటుంది, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ వెస్ట్ సైడ్. In the Europe continent, countries which are nearer to Europe. So in the Europe continent, all countries which are nearer to Europe, they are called Middle East countries. What they are called? Middle East countries. ఎందుకంటే వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్ లో these countries are mostly in the middle region లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆస్ట్రేలియా ఇంకా ఉంటుంది వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్. ఆస్ట్రేలియా that is not given in this. So ఈ కంట్రీస్ అన్ని మిడిల్ లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి these are called the countries which are near to Europe. They are called Middle East countries. What they are called? Middle East countries. Now these countries are, you know, small countries are there and many small countries are there and big countries also there. For example, Saudi Arabia. Now open your textbook lesson page number. Now see the Saudi Arabia is given in your lesson. So see map of Saudi Arabia here in our lesson, page number 282. This is Saudi Arabia. All three sides covered with the water. మొత్తం ఇది ఓషన్స్ త్రీ సైడ్స్కి కూడా ఓషన్స్తో కవర్ అయింది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ పెనిన్సులా ల్యాండ్. వాట్ ల్యాండ్? పెనిన్సులా. బట్ ద క్లైమేట్ ఈస్ హౌ? ద క్లైమేట్ ఈస్ వెరీ హాట్ బట్ కవర్డ్ విత్ ద ఓషన్స్. వాళ్ళకి అక్కడ వాటర్ దొరుకుతున్నాయంటే ద ఓన్లీ రీజన్ బికాస్ ఓషన్స్. ఆ ఓషన్స్ వాటర్ని ఫిల్టర్ చేసుకొని త్రూ పైప్ లైన్స్ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్. వాట్ ఇఫ్ నాట్ దే వాటర్ కూడా ఉండకపోతుంటే అక్కడ నో పీపుల్ unable to live. Because of the oceans it is little convenient to live, but the temperature is very hot, completely like a desert region. Got now? So students, now you know what is Middle East countries. The countries which are located near to the Europe in the middle area, they are called Middle East countries. Now, so what are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia? What are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia? So see in the map also, world map, Jordan, Iraq and Kuwait. They are in north to the Saudi Arabia. The Saudi Arabia paina untayi. Which countries? Jordan, Iraq and Kuwait. These are north to the Saudi Arabia. And in the south side of Saudi Arabia, to the south, in the south side of Saudi Arabia, there is Arabian Sea and also Oman and Yemen. So where it is located? South of the Saudi Arabia. What? Now, Persian Gulf. If you see in the east region, you see Saudi Arabia ki east side. You see the east region. So there are some other countries located. Those are Persian Gulf, Bahrain and UAE. UAE means United Arab Emirates, like Dubai. UAE, United Arab Emirates. Dubai is located in which Saudi Arabia ki east lo undi. Now coming to the west region, Red Sea is located. Saudi Arabia ki west lo emundi Red Sea. What? Four directions lo what are the countries located to the Saudi Arabia? We have land. And students must and should write all these points. What? Now coming to the land surface. Land surface of Saudi Arabia. How it will be? Saudi Arabia is mostly the region is covered with the rocky plateau region. Plateau ante telusu kada nana, like sudden ga plains nunchi ila undi malli ila untadi kada long varaku, that is called plateau. Mostly covered with plateau. And remaining area totally vast, inka chala pedda area desert tone occupied. Some part is plateau and the remaining part is a desert occupied in Saudi Arabia. So here strong wind blows always. Strong wind blows. Why? Because ocean is near. So strong wind blows here always throughout the year. And no rivers, no lakes are there here. What? Now hills of sand. అంటే పెద్దగా ఇలా మట్టి కొట్టుకుపోయి ఇట్లా మట్టి హిల్స్ లాగా ఉంటాయి, చిన్న చిన్న హిల్స్, మట్టి హిల్స్. They are called sand hills. They are called sand dunes. What they are called? Hills of sand. Hills of sand. They are called sand dunes. What they are called? Sand dunes. Important word. So only in some places you can see the water like this. Oasis. Only some places you can see the water. Some water will be there. That place is called oasis. Our places lone some trees will grow like date palm. Alanti konni trees grow outai. Only some that oasis places. But okay students, must and should write the notes and revise all the notes. Our video will be continued in our next part. Clear?